welcome to Sumi Kaya Kalpam. Hope all are well. Today I am going to share with you a very easy technique to take care of your skin at your home. So there may be a question in your mind, why should you follow my technique, as a lot of products are available in the market and that can help you to get instant glow, instant complexion also. But let me clear about one important thing, that whatever products are available in the market that basically containing chemicals like hydrogen peroxide, ammonia, alpha hydroxy acid and oxalic acid, these are the things which gives you instant glow immediately after you using all those products. But remember, this having instant glow, but in the long term this will damage your skin. It will damage the natural oil production of the skin. It will make your skin dry by damaging its moisture level, and there may be chances of losing the elasticity of the skin. Once you lose the elasticity, the youthness of your skin will be vanished out. So be careful for about all these products available in nearby market. Instead of that, our skin need a natural and proper care. If you are going through these techniques, whatever I am going to share with you, there is no need to use any foundation, no need to use huge amount of cosmetics. Naturally you will get a healthy, shiny and lovely skin, and you can able to maintain the pH of the skin, elasticity of the skin. Next point is that the products which are used at the salon for your cleanup, for your facial, that all based on chemicals, and it cost at least 300 to 500 per sitting. But today's technique will save your money, and it will spend only rupees 25 to 30 rupees. So and the next point is that our skin need a few more techniques which can help to maintain its healthiness. As for me, there are 6 sutras which can help you to get a healthy, lovely skin instead of all these market products, the chemical based product. The first sutra is that to follow a balanced, healthy diet which containing sufficient amount of protein and vitamin C. Protein and vitamin C helps to production of a special kind of cell that is known as collagen. That collagen helps to maintain the elasticity of the skin, and it also helps the skin to heal quickly. Then instead of these vitamins C and protein, we need other vitamins like B complex, A, D, E and some other minerals in our diet. So diet plays an important role for a healthy skin. Superficially, the skin which we can see through the naked eye, it is the epidermis. It need cleansing and protection, whereas the skin deep inside our dermis level is maintaining its healthiness, and it depends upon the diet and the stimulation of the glands and the metabolism of the body and skin. So the next sutra is sufficient sleep. At least 6 to 7 hours of sleep is necessary. Then the next sutra is drinking sufficient amount of water, at least 10 to 12 glasses of water. Make it a habit to drink 4 glasses of water at early morning, and don't forget to drink 1 glasses of water before going to sleep. The next sutra is make yourself stress free. If you are always in stress, your body metabolism will be affected a lot. So keep yourself stress free by following yoga asanas, pranayams, mudras, bandhas, satkarmas, most importantly meditation. And the 5th sutra is that keep your skin moisturized always. You may having a dry skin, oily skin, normal or combination skins, it need to be moisturized always. Then the 6th sutra is to follow a regular skincare routine. So today I am going to share with that regular skincare routine. Skincare routine having again 6 techniques. The first technique is cleansing, second one is scrubbing, third one is nourishing, fourth one is pack, fifth one is toning, and last one is cold compression. So come to the first point, cleansing. Cleansing is a technique, and before that I want to make you clear one more important thing. If you need a healthy, charming skin and personality, don't forget to have a very good smile in your face also. So it's act more than any other cosmetics. So cleansing. So for normal to dry skin, we need the raw milk and a cotton swab. By using this cotton swab, you can apply this milk throughout the skin and gently massage it for 3 to 4 minutes. In my next video, definitely I'll help you how to do this massage over the skin. There is a basic technique as per the muscular direction, and there is a duration and direction for massage. If you are doing it wrongly, there may be an adverse impact upon your skin. So for oily, normal to dry skin, you can use raw milk, or you can use cucumber juice also. For oily skin, we can use curd, which is easily available at our home, or you can use tomato juice, and by help of the cotton, again remove the dust and dirt which are stubborn inside our skin pores throughout the day. Also you are using some moisturizer, some makeup, so before going to sleep we need to follow at least 3 techniques, which we can say CNC technique: cleansing, nourishing and cold compression. Daily you have to follow these 3 techniques, and other 6 techniques you can follow every 7 days or 15 days. Then the next step is scrubbing. Scrubbing is not necessary daily. A healthy skin need scrubbing every 7 to 10 days. Remember, this technique is applicable for facial skin. Our facial skin is 10 times delicate than the other body skin. Other body skin need regular scrubbing, but facial skin don't need scrubbing regularly. It needs 7 days or 10 days. So here I am going to help you to prepare a very good scrubber. This type of scrubber, it's smelling like so good. You may like to eat it, but we have to apply it on our skin. For this scrubber, we need some combination of cereals and pulses. So what you will do, take handful of black gram, handful of lentil, yellow lentil, red lentil, handful. Then a handful of Bengal gram, handful of yellow peas or green peas, handful of wheat, and handful of rajma, handful of white chickpeas, handful of urad dal, and any other cereals or pulses is available. Just take handful of it, thoroughly wash it, dry it properly in a natural way. Then after drying, mix all those ingredients, grind it in granules form, just like the granules of semolina. At the end of the grinding, just add handful of camphor. See, it's all these ingredients are available with me. So you can prepare this scrubber very easily at your home, and it's very effective, and it's working like anything. So after grinding, just store it in a dry and clean container. Then next step is to collect few neem leaves and tulsi leaves, neem and tulsi leaves. Just clean it thoroughly and dry it thoroughly. Along with that, you can add lemon peels, orange peels, to clean it, dry it, then grind it in granules. Store it in a separate place. For oily skin, damaged skin, blemishes skin, we can use these granules of leaves along with that granules of cereals and pulses. Remember, for dry to normal skin, we can use the granules of cereals and pulses. For oily skin, we can add other ingredients with that. For oily skin, add water and leave that scrubber for 5 minutes over your skin. For normal to dry skin, we can use raw milk along with the cereals, pulses, granules. Leave it for 5 minutes, then gently scrub it. In my next video, I will help you how to scrub it, in which way, which direction you can scrub it, and where you scrub and where you not to scrub. After scrubbing, the next step is nourishing. Nourishing needs again a proper mixture of few products. Like for that we need olive oil or vitamin E capsules. Then aloe vera, that is also easily available at your home. This is aloe vera. Then we need lemon juice, we need honey, and pinch of turmeric. This is enough for nourishment. And mix all these things and gently massage your skin for 5 minutes. I'll help you again in my next video how to nourish your skin, how to do this facial manipulation. After nourishment, go for pack. For pack also, we can take gram flour, rice flour, pinch of turmeric, honey, camphor, and sometimes you can add milk powder instead of raw milk. So the mixture, how you will prepare the pack for different type of skin, I'll help you to learn about it in my next video. And remember, your pack should be left over your skin for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, by help of a damp towel or soft handkerchief, just remove that. Then the next important point is toner. So by using cucumber juice, rose water, by help of a damp cotton, just apply the toner over the skin. Toner helps to remove the extra residue of pack. It is very much necessary, and also close the pores of the skin. All this procedure will open the pores of the skin, and if you leaving any residue of pack or mask over the skin, that is a very good food for the bacteria. So remember, you have to remove the last residue of the pack from your skin by help of a toner. After toning, you go for cold compression. As we know that India is a hot country, so our pores are always open. Cold compression is very much necessary after all this technique. So by help of a soft hanky, you can use ice cube this way and thoroughly apply throughout the skin. That will help to seal the open pores and helps to maintain the elasticity of the skin, and helps to maintain and helps to get a youthful skin. So this is all about the skincare routine. Hope it will help you a lot. Keep on watching my videos. I'll help you to learn many more techniques to take care of the skin. Subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Don't forget to write down your comments, your suggestion, and write down what else you want to see in my videos. So I will definitely try my best to help you out. Your suggestion and comments are very valuable for me. Till then, keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.